The Automated Content Studio. This is my tool that allows me to post hundreds of posts every week on various social media. I'm going to give you a rundown of how the tool works. It's built on Airtable as the user interface. It has a few make.com scenario to power each automation and action we take. But right now I'm going to give you a tool and explain what it does, the way it works, and the potential improvement of what's going to come in the future with the new feature coming up in the new releases. So first, it starts with ideas. So this is that second table right here. This is content ideas, and an idea is something that I can create in multiple ways in the tool. The first one is I can take my phone and record a thought or something. Whenever I'm on the go, I'm thinking about something, and I want to take notes of that idea for a content post, I can just pull up my phone, record a voice note, send that, and done. It's going to appear right here, be processed by a ChatGPT prompt to create a clear, formatted, structured version of your thought. So then it's there, and it's ready to be processed to the next step that I'm going to cover in just a second. Another way to get information or to get ideas into the system is to follow YouTube channels, and I mainly use mine right now. So you set that up right here in this table. This is what the feeds are right now. We can follow YouTube channels. I do it with mine, so I create content on my YouTube channel. Whenever there's new videos there, it grabs the video and it gets created as an idea into this table. So this is another way, and it doesn't have to be your own or my own YouTube channel. It can be a list of all your favorite content creators, but obviously I think it works best when it's your own ideas that comes into the system, because they are really what you want to share with on your social media and with your audience. So this is another way. I mean, there will be more ways to get ideas into the system coming shortly, like doing some research, following some blogs, newsletter potentially. So these ones are to come. So what happens when an idea is in the system? We can review them right here. So you see some of them are selected, some are just empty, so they haven't been processed yet. So for instance, I can open this idea. If I can manage, move out of the way, I can expand this. This is the idea. As you can see, it's structured. I can scroll, I can read the details of what it was about, and it has all the details there. And now I can decide, I can go and watch the YouTube video if that was coming from a YouTube video, and I can move on and create content. If I click this button, it's gonna generate multiple content pieces in that next table, which is that content table. And as you can see on the left side, there's many views right here. So the first one is short text. So for each ideas, whether it's a voice note or a YouTube video, you will get 10 short text that looks like this. So each time you click on create ideas, it's going to generate this. You're going to take 10 different version, or not version, but 10 separate short text like this that are less than 280 characters that are meant to be posted on Twitter. So you can come here, you edit, you can review them. You can change whatever you want in here, add something, make a change, make the edit, because remember, this is going to be generated based on ChatGPT. But obviously in the background, when we set the tool like this, when we set up a tool like this, we will train ChatGPT to understand your business, know the details about you, your tone of voice, the way you write, the way you speak. The ChatGPT that's going to power this is going to know all of that to generate this type of messages. So it's not like just some random not so good content. But nonetheless, or regardless of that, you will still be able to review what has been generated at this point in the content table right here. You can review, and if you're okay with it, because this one is a tweet, it's just a text, you click on that button and it goes out to the next step, which is this table, where it comes in here. It comes as a scheduled post. So those one have been posted, but let's say it's going to come as a scheduled post. It won't have a publish date right here. And then there's going to be an automation that's going to pick it up and publish it on your Twitter account automatically. So essentially your old manual steps are just selecting the idea, reviewing the content, clicking the button to publish it. That's all it is for Twitter. That's what it is. But it doesn't stop with just Twitter. Content, as you can see, there's many more. That same short text, which is right here, can be used to produce image post for Instagram that looks like this. This is an image. This text is generated dynamically based on the text that was in that previous cell on that line. This is a template that you can set up, and then you can use it and create images that we can then click that button. Also, when the image, first click the create image post, which is going to create that image based on the text. It's going to create the captions for the post, and then you schedule it. Same thing, it goes into the post, Instagram post section right here, and like these ones, and they are scheduled to be posted and published on Instagram automatically. So same process, you come here, you review the content, and you click the buttons, and off your mind now, you have published, it's scheduled to go out on social media. So now I think you've understood the process of how it goes. I'm going to just go over, because it's very similar for the rest, I'm going to go over the type of content that the tool generates right now. So the next one is carousels. Same thing, it generates 10 carousel, potential carousels. It's going to look like, let's take this one for instance. It's going to generate based on that same idea, always based on that ideas that you selected from here. It's going to create text that take the idea and make a carousel out of it. So each row or each sentence like this is going to be a sentence for the slide. So don't mind, I mean, I don't really like the template that I use for this one, but as you can see, it's very similar to the Twitter-like, but you can customize in the tool that we are using to generate those images. You can customize the template the way you'd like. And as you can see, they are generated in one sentence per slides, and they appear right here. So you have same process, you review before creating the carousel post itself, which is this button that generates all the images, also the caption for the Instagram post. And when you're good to go and you are okay with it, you just click that button and they are scheduled to be posted on Instagram. The next one is this one. I call it Midform text. I don't have data in this table, but let me add something quickly just to show you. This one is for a Facebook post, like just a text, but meant for a Facebook post on a Facebook page, like your business page. So same thing, it's going to generate automatically the text for a post, and you just review it right here, and then you schedule it to be posted on Facebook. Now another one is this long form text. So this one right now is optimized to be a LinkedIn post, a LinkedIn article, like something a bit longer. So that's why it's called long form text. And it looks like this when you open it. This is an article coming for LinkedIn based on that idea that got into the system that you've selected. Now you can review it, you can make adjustment right there. And same thing, you move on, you click this button, which is scheduling the LinkedIn article, goes to the next table, and it's posted on the schedule that you define whenever you want to post on a weekly basis or daily basis, kind of up to you on the scheduling part. So LinkedIn article as well. The next one is short form video script. I'm not going to go over because it's stopped right there. It doesn't generate the video right now for the moment. something that might come in a future version. But right now I just give you a, so if I open that, this one is not, maybe not great, but just, oh, these are the caption, my bad. You get a caption for a short form video, but you get also a structure for a potential short form video that you can take your phone and start recording by having the text right there, or at least the structure. And this is coming in the future. This is for voiceover, B-roll type of short form videos, but I'm not gonna go there, but it creates a script, and the idea is gonna be in a future version to automate that, like the entire creation of the video itself. But this is coming in the future, one of the potential new feature that I want to build and to extend the capability of the automated content studio. That's it. This is the overview of the tool and the capability and what it does. As I said, it's powered behind the scene by different Make automations. This is something that allows to publish hundreds of pieces of content. It removes all the overwhelm of moving files and having things, because we also, and moving things from ChatGPT, all that around. This is an infrastructure that gets you moving your content creation process from idea onto publishable post and scheduled automatically within one user interface that's easy to manage. And your job is simply, or my job is just to review the data and spend time to adjusting the content or making the content, but not into moving stuff around, copy pasting and doing all that. And so that time that is saved allows to produce more content per week, which is very beneficial, because obviously the more content we produce and push out on social media, the more visibility we get, which drives more revenue into the business or whatever we do content for. So I hope this is clear. If you have any questions on the tool and how to use it, or any suggestion on how to improve it, feel free to comment below or let me know in the community. And I'll see you in the next video.